Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make your plants gain XPs so they reach level 10 faster in Plants vs. Brainrots. So if you place your plants to the very front here, they are able to gain XPs faster rather than if you put your, for instance, plants all the way to the back. It also has something to do with the fact that obviously they're going to use the one at which has the most damage per second as well. Sometimes it goes to that plant the most. So if you want your plants to gain XPs, you can place them to the very front and they will gain XPs faster. As you can see, this one's level 10, this one's level 10, this one's not yet. This one's level 10, this one's level 8, and this one's level 10 because they are at the front. So you can switch them around so that they are able to gain XPs as they kind of I guess, fight the Brainrots. I deal with the Brainrots, I don't know. Because also here is, as you can see, sometimes this one is enough to just kill one Brainrot, so it doesn't need the rest of the plants to deal with them. I hope you understand what I mean, okay? You can also obviously use the XP bottles to do that. If you have XP stars, that's better because one of the XP stars will level you up one level easily, so you don't have to continuously use the XP bottles and stuff, but they are a little bit more rare to get. So yeah, for instance, I use this pot, it only gives a little bit, okay, 300 XPs, and it doesn't cover up the rest of the XPs to go up a level. So yeah, if you want your your plants to get more XPs, just switch it to the front and they'll gain more XPs by doing so. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Oh, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!